Every team writes their own authorization logic, one in Go language, another in Python, another in Node.js, then compliance hits. And you have 50 or hundreds of different files to update. Is that sounds familiar? This is the exact problem OPA solves. Instead of scattering rules across services, OPA lets you write them once and enforce them everywhere. It ensures consistency where your microservices, APIs, CI/CD pipelines all check policies in the same way. It improves agility and it boosts security. So let the service be in any language and API be anywhere, and you're going to maintain the policy in a centralized location. And any change in the policy, all we have to do is make the change to the policy in a single location, and OPA will be referring to a single unified policy, and that will be applicable for all the services that are running within the organization. And when the policies are getting updated, we do not need to make any code change or redeploy our application. Also, since the policy is available as a code, we can review version and we can make it to undergo audit operation as well, just like any other code. That's how OPA gives control, visibility, and consistency, all from one place.